How you can get your USDT ERC20 wallet address from your Trust wallet. So before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Trust wallet and sign in. Once you are in, you're just gonna need to search for USDT. If you cannot see this, simply click on Manage Crypto on the top right and search for USDT. Make sure to select the Ethereum network and enable this. Once you are done, you're gonna need to scroll down until you see USDT and click on it. Now what you need to do is to simply click on this receive button, and there you have it. We have our USDT ERC20 wallet address just like so. As you can see on the top, only send Tether USDT ERC20 asset to this address. Other assets will be lost forever, so you need to keep that in mind. Hope this helped. This is how you can get your USDT ERC20 wallet address from your Trust wallet.